often young people are looking to be praised. No matter how many likes, they still feel lame. But you're the leader that's called to change this generation. It's time to stop letting your age be your cage. We're asking you to rise up and raise your voice because so many people are crippled and they don't realize they have a choice. It doesn't matter if you're Filipino, black, or white. You were called to be the person of change in this day and age. So step out and stand out. It's time 2019. Let's get it.